Most people think they don't know enough to make money online. That is one of the biggest lies holding people back. You don't need to know everything. You simply need to know something that can help someone else. The problem isn't do I know enough? The problem is can I solve a problem? In this video, I will show you 5 practical steps to turn your knowledge into income, even if you are just getting started. Welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, I'm Faith Miracle Ilabo, and I help founders, professionals, and experts build a profitable brand, attract clients, amazing opportunity, and increase revenue. If that sounds like something you want to learn, make sure you subscribe. Let's get started. Step number 1, identify what you already know. Most people underestimate their own knowledge because they feel it is normal. Ask yourself, what do people always ask me for help for? What skill have I discovered through work, through school, through skills, through certification? Personally, that is how I started building my brand. I discovered my inbuilt skills because personally I love to teach. That has been one of my natural gifts. And I looked at, okay, what do I need to teach? And I was able to identify my inbuilt skills that, okay, people need to learn how to make money with their skills because everyone wants to make money. I want to make money. You want to make money. And I said, okay, you know what? Let me start teaching how people can monetize their skills, how they can build their online brand and start monetizing what you know. However, I didn't started out teaching this. I need to learn. Yes, I learned from YouTube here. I learned from coaches. There was a time I paid more than 300,000 in Naira. That is almost more than 200 USD as at 2022, 2023. I paid a coach to teach me how to monetize my skill and my knowledge. I paid another coach to teach me how to create my content. So everything you need is already within you. You just need to identify that inbuilt skills, that inbuilt ability inside of you, or that inbuilt experience due to your work. Maybe you've worked in certain place and you want to monetize that knowledge, that ability of yours. It could be your school, your education, you want to monetize it. It could be your skills you have learned, any handwork, you want to monetize it. It could be any digital skills that you want to monetize it. You have something inside of you. What you have isn't small. People need it as long as you can solve a problem for them. People need you. Your knowledge doesn't have to be unique, it just needs to be helpful and useful and also solve a problem. Step 2, start teaching before you sell. Don't wait until you have a course or a coaching call or a program before you start teaching. Start teaching on your platform, on your Facebook, on your Instagram, whichever platform you are in. Start teaching because that is how you build trust. That is how you build value. That is how your audience recognize you that you are valuable, you can be trusted, you are intelligent, you are good. Share practical steps that move your audience from point A to point Z or to point D. Tell your stories. Tell the stories that makes you you. The stories you want your audience to know about you. I share most of my stories most time on how I got the opportunities I have so far, how I have worked with clients, my stories on how I built my online brand, grew to 23,000 followings before the page got suspended. Now I'm building all over again from scratch on Facebook. Stories of how I resigned my contract banking job and started leveraging the online space. People relate to those stories. People connect to that stories, and that stories have given me amazing clients because I was being authentic. I didn't fake it. I tell it the way it is. So share your stories. People align with your stories and share the stories you want your audience to know, please. Do not share stories you wouldn't want your audience to know or stories that will stain your brand or your positioning. Share your stories, but do not share fake stories. Your authentic stories, the one you want the public to know. Because teaching builds trust, stories build trust, and when trust is built, sales happen naturally. Step number 3, build visibility consistently. Do not show up on day 1 and on day 10 you are nowhere to be found. Show up consistently. If it is 3 content you want to post a week, start posting 3 content in a week. If it is 5, start posting. If it is 10, start posting. Just schedule yourself and grow in it. Take it as your business. This is what I tell myself. As long as content creation are changing people's life, I can also do it and it will change my life. Just take it, let it become part of you. Because when you make it become part of you, you stay consistent building. Because it is when you are visible, you get seen. When you are not visible, no one will see you. No one will know what you do. You won't attract clients. You won't attract opportunity. You won't attract anything that increases your finances or move you ahead from others. That is why visibility is needed. You need to be visible consistently. You need to be in the face of your audience. Let your audience see your values. Let them see your credibility. Let them see who you are, know you, and get to trust you. Number five, give people a next step. Every piece of content you create should guide people to somewhere. Invite them to watch your video, to like, to comment, to share, to engage. Just have a next step as you create. Do not just create and leave it. Tell them this is what they need to do because they react to what you tell them. Step five, keep improving. Keep becoming your best version. Keep learning. Keep upskilling. Keep becoming better in the way you speak, in the way you create your content, in the way you communicate with others, in the way you position yourself, in the way you brand yourself, everything. Keep improving because the online space is about improvement. You won't want to remain stuck in the same position. You won't want to build a stagnant brand that you are not increasing your craft or increasing in value because clients want values and they want value that speak. They want to see you learning and learning new things, new skills, and learning fast also. So keep improving in all you do in the online space. Personally, I'm improving. Recently, I started taking calls, Google Ads calls, SEO calls because I noticed it that in this industry I am positioning as a SaaS founder, I needed it, and my client also really wants me to upskill and learn this thing. So I started learning these skills of SEO, skills of Google Ads, skills of sales conversion, buyer psychology, AI, automation. I started learning it because I needed to increase in my value. The more I increase in my value, the more I command higher pay. The more I attract bigger clients, bigger opportunities. So keep improving. Keep improving. Don't stay stagnant. Keep improving. Keep learning. Keep becoming your best version. So if you want to turn your knowledge into income, remember these 5 steps. Number one, identify what you know. Number two, teach before you sell. Number three, build visibility consistently. Number four, give people a clear next step. And number five, keep improving. You don't need to wait until you are expert in everything. Start with what you know today and let your experience grow over time. If this video helped you, I'd like you to subscribe and become a member of the Rise and Brand community. Every week, I share practical strategy on how you need to become visible, trusted, well positioned to attract amazing opportunities, clients, and increase your income. Now, I did love to hear from you in the comment. What is one piece or content you can start sharing today? Let's keep learning and growing together. Rise and Brand, together we rise, together we grow. Bye bye. See you in my next lesson.